Welcome to 214 John Hicklen Drive, located in Toney, Alabama. This home has 3 beds, 2 baths, a detached shop, and a storm shelter. You've got to check it out. Thanks for checking out this beautiful home. And if you'd like to see this view, give me a call today.